I see a final year student from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And it is truly an honor to stand here on this beautiful occasion of our department day. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Malla Satyaprasad Sir, DGM, VSNM, for gracing this occasion with their presence. It is also a privilege to welcome our respected principal, our esteemed patron, Professor R. Padmasree Ma'am, our dedicated convener, Dr. S. Aruna Ma'am, and our encouraging faculty coordinator, Dr. S. Ramadevi Ma'am, and HODs of all departments for their constant guidance and support in organizing this event. Events like this don't just happen. They are created with dedication, teamwork, and countless hours of hard work behind the scenes. I would like to take a moment to appreciate the incredible efforts of our student organizers. A special appreciation to event organizers Mohammad Aziza Tamanna and G. Roshni, magazine team M. Prasanna, Joshna, Shivani, technical organizers Prasanna, Sri Gayatri, non-technical organizers Shrujana, Kavyanjali, cultural organizers Dimple, Anusha, Nandita, sports and games organizers Agneshri, Susmita, Kusmasri, Sai, Svetashri, and stars organizers K. Yamuna, Rohini, social media organizers Eshmita, Anjana, Nanishwari, marketing team Shruti, Dikshita, Shanmukhi, arts organizers T. Haricharani, P. Katyayani, and everyone, and our non-teaching staff Anvisha Ma'am and Sirisha Ma'am, along with all supporting members who contributed to organizing various events. Our college, Andhra University College of Engineering for Women, established in 2010, is not just an institution. It is a place that empowers women to grow, lead, and achieve their dreams. With a motto that says, educate a man, you educate one person. Educate a woman, you educate a complete family. This institution truly lives by this vision. Coming to our department, Electronics and Communication Engineering, since establishment of our college, it provides us with strong technical knowledge through well-equipped laboratories like EDC, LICA, PDC, DLD, HTL, DSP, and softwares like MATLAB, Multisim, Xilinx, and Python, and many more. The introduction of the IoT lab with Arduino and Raspberry Pi is a great step towards modern technological learning. Students have also been placed in reputed companies and institutes like TCS, JSW, Tata Electronics, Reliance, Planet Spark, Vedantu, and many more. I also would like to take a moment to express our sincere appreciation for the positive transformation our institution has undergone after the arrival of our respective principal, Professor R. Padmasree Ma'am. Under her guidance, we can clearly see a remarkable improvement in discipline across the campus. It is evident that every small detail has been given attention, creating a better space for us to learn and grow. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to share my journey in this college. I didn't start as an expert, but as a girl from a rural background with very little knowledge and many doubts. I simply had the intention to learn and help others. So I began creating small educational videos on my YouTube channel named Science Study Blogs. And today, that small beginning has grown into a community of 7,600 plus subscribers. And it has opened doors to bigger dreams like Gate Topper Talks podcast series, collaborating with inspiring minds like IIT students and exploring electronic content. Throughout this journey, my institution and department of ECE has supported me and guided me. So today, I just want to say this. If someone like me can start and grow, then each one of you can reach even greater heights. You don't need to know everything to begin. You just need the courage to take a first step, believe in yourself, keep growing. From someone who used to hesitate to speak and felt underconfident, tensed, confused, to someone who is standing here today speaking in front of all of you, this transformation means everything to me. I learned not just technical subjects, but also confidence, communication, planning, self-belief. And today, I can proudly say I found a better version of myself in this college and discovered my true potential. And to my friends, thank you for being my strength, my support system, and my happiest memories. We have experienced everything: sleepless nights, exams, assignments, labs, struggles, but also unforgettable memories. And to my dear juniors, my suggestion from your senior is don't study just for exams. If you are really interested in core domain, learn for understanding. We have many opportunities, just explore them. And one important thing, networking is very important. So participate in all club events, college activities. Find your niche, passion, work on it, be consistent. Believe in yourself because you may feel lost in sometimes. That's the part of your journey. Your potential is greater than what you think. Do little every day. One day you will look back and realize how much you have done and improved. Once again, my heartfelt thanks to our department, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and our HOD, Dr. S. Aruna ma'am, Dr. S. Ramadevi ma'am, Anisha ma'am, Sirisha ma'am for guiding me in many aspects. And finally, I would like to thank my parents and my brother for being the reason why I am here today. And I would like to conclude that today we are not just celebrating a department day, we are celebrating growth, memories, and transformation. Years from now, we may forget formulas and exams, but we will never forget this place that changed us. This college didn't teach me engineering, it taught me what I really want in my life. Thank you, Andhra University. Thank you so much.